Isang umaga, tanghali, at gabi po sa ating lahat. Gusto ko lang po batiyan ng mga followers ko, mga sumusuporta sa aking vlog, at sa mga nanonood din po. Isang tulong po ito sa akin at maraming salamat po. Bago ko po umpisa ng aking vlog o ang aking topic, ito po ay isang update kay Kim Pao kung saan po ay may press conference po sila about sa movie po nila na Secretary Kim kung paano po ito pumatok sa kanila at ito po ay idea ng mga staff at sa mga sumusuporta din po sa kanila kung paano po nag-grow at paano po pumatok ang kanilang movie na Secretary Kim sa Pilipinas at sa mga netizen po. Tungayan po natin at umpisahan po natin panoorin ang full conference video po nila. Start na po tayong lahat.
Okay. Hindi ko rin alam yun. Thank you sa mga nakisali sa ating game. Pao Kim may hinandang fan video para sa inyo. Wow. I know. Turn your heads to the solid screen. Ano-ano niyo yung hinanda ng mga fans para sa inyo.
Well, I think reaching can, because it's always leaving us wanting more for each episode. And it makes us see all the unique happiness that we can take away, and making us stay up late, waiting for the midnight drop of each episode.
Every episode 38 na parang ko yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Hindi ako natutulog kasi hindi ko napapanood yung mga new episodes na ilalabas nila. And I'm happy to say na I'm very proud to be part of the Kim Pao family. Kasi talaga iba yung bibigay nila nila sa akin. Pag stress sa work or stress sa bahay, nagkakaroon ko ng show, nagbibigay sa akin talaga yung influence yun.
The implementation of what's wrong with Secretary Kim have to base the hearts of the viewers as really comprised of two best actors, I can say great actors in the Philippines. Industry and the listing and power. They really feel the viewers the experience of Asian rom-com, romantic comedy. So all the cast contributes their best to make what's wrong with Secretary Kim so engaging and realistic. So each episode actually is creatively contributing culture and personal drama and everything creates a good time. So I really enjoy the show.
They can have phenomenon and magical. It's due to their natural chemistry. They didn't have to tell us anything. Their words, their actions, it's already a confirmation of it's a delusional, I'm speaking in a delusional manner, there is confirmation of what they have, unfortunately.
For me, talking from Secretary, isa po talaga siya nagpapakalbang akin. As in, ay, syempre, tayo sa war, kuya, kung isa may problema magawa natin, ano yun? Nag-iisa sa sarili, hindi ko siya pagdilang sa akin ko. Kasi kung pinanawin niyo po ito siya, wala siyang pag-awin. Ang baan sa feeling, nakasmell ka, kinikinig,
Talagang super kidding na parang nireview ko yung work ko as a person. Nireview ko yung pagiging ako, yung pagiging happy person ko. Parang it brought myself back, my happy person as I am. So, thank you so much, Julie. Thank you so much for the show, Secretary Kim. I love Kim Pao. I love new adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Lalo na yung ending. Oh my gosh, parang gusto ko na magpa-renewal of vows na kami mag-asawa dahil sa inyo. Doon sa beach na yun. Saan ba yun? Reveal!
What's Wrong with Secretary Kim kasi dahil sa show na to, sobrang super na sila, happiness, feeling, hati-hati na nakakarang ko ito, ayan, every episode, yung matututunan ka talaga. Sobrang miss magkuya, party, every midnight, thank you, especially to my mates, Kim Pao, kasi ito rin source of happiness ko, marami kayo pa sila, nakakalangkot kasi tapos na, thank you so much, and we love you, Kim Pao.
Grabe! Anong reaction ni Kim? Microphone please. Reaction niyo sa napanood ng fan video.
Nakakataba ng puso, hindi namin in-expect na malaki yung impact sa buhay niyo, sa happiness ninyo at mas nabibigyan po ng kawiwan yung mga ginagawa namin kapag nakakita po ako ng mga ganitong video. So, kung nagpapasalamat po kayo sa Kim Pao at sa palabas na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, kami po ang personal nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil kayo po talaga yung nagiging inspirasyon namin. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi rin po ganun magiging successful tong show at hindi rin po ganun magiging kalakas yung drive namin para gawin tong malabas na ito. Salamat po sa inyo.
Nice. Kim?
Yes, again, maraming salamat. No words can describe kung gaano kami kasaya ngayon sa pagtanggap ninyo. Mapa-online man yan, face-to-face or mall show or trending party or kahit na ano, basta may Kim Pao, nandyan po kayo para supportahan at mahalin kami. Kaya we're very thankful and grateful sa suporta na binibigay po ninyo. And masaya kami na na-inspire namin kayo. The same way kung paano nyo din kami po na-inspire sa trabaho at sa araw-araw. Again, thank you so much to you. Maraming salamat for giving us What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, to our directors, our staff, co-actors, sa lahat na bumubuo ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat po.
At lalong-lalo na po sa inyo, sa mga sumubaybay. Salamat po.
Let's have a photo. Kim and Paolo. Ito na, mag-group photo lang tayo. Ayun na kayo dyan. Makita na kayo, di ba? Smile, everybody. Alright, pabawas lang ng ilaw. Pabawas lang ng konti ng ilaw. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, and then let's call in the rest of the cast. Jane, Franco, Robin, Kai, Jillian, Ives.
Thank you so much again, everybody.
Brian, Lee, Cowrie. Okay, isang group photo na ulit with the rest of the cast. Kim, Pao, and everybody. Jay is here, Kim Watching is here. Grabe, this is the fantasy of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Pwede nyo i-rewatch, okay? Okay, pataas daw ng mga ng mga fans na binigay ng view.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, one more with the view fans. Thank you. One more daw po with the view fans. Pakitaas daw po yung mga fans na binigay ng view. Let's go! Ayan. There you go! Thank you, Jake. Magpasalamat tayo, Jake, please. Jake, please. Salamat! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa pagsusuporta nyo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Picture, I got you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to the next one. Thank you, viewing team. Bravo. Maraming salamat sa lahat na sumuporta sa show namin What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Pwede nyo pa rin mag-binge watch sa view. At maraming salamat din sa Dreamscape and of course sa aming pinakamamahal na Kim Pao. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Of course, syempre Kim and Paolo.
Again, thank you. Alam ko, hindi ko pa sa inyo malayo ang pinanggalingan. Salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo at sa pagsuporta ninyo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Habang buhay po namin, tatanawin to na masasalamat sa inyo lahat. So thank you so much.
Maraming salamat again. Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Pao Squad, Republic,
everyday heaven, new day, innovate every day. Grab, subscribe to Grab Unlimited and enjoy discounted Grab car rides and free Grab delivery every day. If it isn't on extreme, you're trusted Yamaha for sleep problems. Bello, get a swift lift with Linear Firm by Bello. As ating ground sponsored Pediasure Plus, trust the pediatrician's most recommended brand for growth, a Pediasure Plus staff.
MJ, I just want to give a big shout out and thank you to our team, Direk Chad, Direk Paco, Miss Kathy, Ro, you, Miss Garlic, everybody for Kingsgate, and you, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Hindi natin palakpakan ang team ng View at Kingsgate.
Alright, can I invite the View Philippines team please on stage? And yeah, isang photo lang, magdala tayo. This is our annual day. It's Direk Chad, Direk Paco. Please, let's join on roll. Martina Dreams Entertainment. And then after this, we're done. Maraming salamat. Garnet, let's go. Philippines, ayan, tara. One group photo lang, tapos we're done. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng punta dito ngayon sa Market. Ang nakikita nyo on stage right now is the team behind What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, View Philippines, Dreamscape Entertainment, and the cast of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
Pwede pong lumipat dito.
Meron pa kami dito.
Meron pa po dito. Pwede kayo dito na dito para lang center. Pwede kayo dito.
Closer.
Kami na nga.
Ayan, yung bagong kasal na YSK, yung pila pala. Grabe! Alright, thank you very much! Thank you, Market! Have a good night! Ingat po kayo! Happy weekend! Thank you, everyone!